Hi everybody, Bapak Crypto here, your crypto educator who would like to help you make an informed decision when trading and investing in digital asset. Today is an exciting day. This is an unscripted video. I feel like I need to do this video now because of what's happening in the market now. As you all know, UST, which is the stable coin in Terra LUNA blockchain ecosystem, has been depegging since yesterday, and the price of UST has been going down, and as a result the price of LUNA also going down. The volume of trading has been increasing, and I want to make a live trade in front of your eyes, a live future trade, especially since the last video I have shared with you about perpetual futures. I think this is a good time for me to show you a bit how to do a live trade of futures, especially during this volatile market, because this is a time for you to earn a bit of money. And as you can see now, I'm looking at the LUNA futures. The trend has been going down for a while. As a stable coin, it's supposed to, let me go to a maybe 1 day time frame. As a stable coin, this LUNA is supposed to, sorry, not LUNA, Terra. This is also the price of Terra now, or 0.3 US dollar. By right, as a stable coin, it should stay at $1. It should stay at this level, but since it's been depegging a lot since 10th of May, which is yesterday, and it's been going down and down. And as a result, LUNA has been going down as well. This kind of charge, it can only happen in the crypto world. As you can see, the trend is going down. Of course, I want to short the futures. So let's do a short futures now. Because I will be looking at this dynamically, so I'm choosing a very shorter time period, which is usually 5 minutes or 1 minute. Looking at 5 minutes now, the volume. Before that, maybe I look at 1 hour, and it shows that the volume has been steadily high for the past few hours, even at these hours, at now 8 o'clock. And as you all know, usually at 9 p.m. Singapore time, which is 9 a.m. New York time, the volume usually pick up, the volume of crypto in general, because the US people start waking up and they will start trading heavily. So now let's see how the market movement is, and perhaps we can find a good entry point for our short futures, and it'll be live in front of your eyes. So exciting times. Okay, for 1 hour, the trend is indeed going down. Let's see, 50 minutes. 50 minutes also is a very obvious downward spiral. I mean, a bit of a pullback, but the pullback is not a lot. So I think a short future is a safe bet at this market condition. Let's see, 5 minutes. Same here, just a slight pullback here and there, but the trend is going down. So 1 minute. Now we want to know when is the good time to enter. When you say 1 minute, people start opening, start buying, and we can choose to do a market trade, but we must time it correctly, because as you know, market trade is executed direct straight in the market. But you can also put a limit order. Limit order is you set a price trigger, so when the price hit that price trigger, then the short position will be open. I mean, we can try to do a trigger at the top of this week, 0.782, 0.7 cent. Now the price, as you can see, the order book, the price has been oscillating 72, 73. Let's put at the top of this week. Maybe there'll be a buy. In the previous few minutes, as you can see, there's always a buy. There's always a buy week after a few sell week. Maybe soon will be a buy week. Yes, looks like it's a buy week. Let's put the trigger as 0.759. 0.759. And let's do a 3,000 LUNA. Maybe let's do more. 4,000 LUNA. And I won't set the take profit and stop loss here. I don't recommend this, but since the market is a bit volatile, I do not want to set it first. Maybe, actually I can set it now. Hold on. Let's set it at this 0.849. Stop loss 0.849. 849, and take profit. I won't put it where I'll put the stop loss. Maybe not that high of a price, maybe 0.787. Okay, looks good. Place order. The take profit, I'll leave it open because I believe we can earn quite a lot since the trend is going down. As you can see, it's still going down, and we will wait whether the limit will be hit. Okay, the buyer start coming in. The buyer starts coming in. Let's go, buyer. Let me hit the limit because I know you will go up there and there'll be a slight pullback and going down. As you can see, in the market, there's always a pullback. But when is the pullback height before it's coming down again? That's the tricky part. I will look at the Terra USD price also, because from there on, you can see what is the market sentiment. As you can see, the market sentiment for USD is going down. So people are not trusting USD. They keep selling USD. Then as an impact, LUNA price will be going down as well. Let's say the 1 minute time frame, same thing. People are selling USD. People not. It makes the price of USD further from the pack. I think for me, I think this is the best time for me to go market order instead, rather than limit order, because seems like this limit price that I put will not be hit. But I need to find a good timing to enter. Okay, let's place the order. This movement usually show that people are keep selling and selling and selling. My PNL is $8. Stay away after I open, because I see the market sentiment is selling USD. So they are not believing in USD. So definitely LUNA will be impacted as well. Selling, I can see it's a huge sell. The red color, the seller are pushing on the buyer. So I believe the price will keep on going down. Okay, I do not recommend for you to do a market order, especially without stop loss or take profit, because who knows, maybe after this week there's a huge buy. But for me, I'm taking a risk. I know it's a bit like gambling, but I'm taking a calculated risk because I see the movement of USD has been going down, and it shows that people confidence on USD is not getting well. Especially, there's another reason, especially since Do Kwon has given his recovery plan for USD and LUNA in general, and the market movement seems to suggest that people are not buying the recovery plan. People are not believing in the recovery plan that being shared by Do Kwon. Wow, it keeps oscillating here. I'm expecting it to go down further, but it doesn't. I'm not very sure why. Let's see the 1 minute time frame. Oh yes, there's a buy order. People are buying here. However, I see the sellers start to move, coming again. Okay, I will keep my position first. Okay, seller are winning. I mean, this is why Warren Buffett say that day trading like us is like gamblers, because we are just like gambling on the horse race, waiting for the price to go to the where we want it to be. But I don't know. That's why I don't recommend you doing it. But because doing this market condition, this is the best time for you if you want the best time for you if you wanna speculate in to certain direction, at a certain direction, especially if the direction is very clear, it's going down. I don't recommend you to do a long futures that should yield you returns. Yes, I'm starting to earn money for my position. Now we are not at the safe zone yet, so I do not want to talk too much at doing this period of time, because it's very near to my entry point here, and the price is oscillating there. Once it goes below this line, well below this line, which I believe it will, then we can have a bit more discussion. At the moment, it's still very very volatile for me, at least for my position. All right, it's going down. When this happens, I recommend you to do a stop loss. Okay, so let's do a stop loss. Let me see. I'm earning $300. Okay, I think I don't have time. I need to monitor this. Let me refresh and maybe I will close it soon. Market close. Yes, so I earned 280 because I see the trend, they're going up again. The buy is coming in, so I missed the 300 mark, but I get to close it at 280.